How to see what someone likes on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see what someone likes on Instagram, whether you're curious about the post they're engaging with or you want to check out their activity. I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. In the past, you could directly see what your friends were liking through the following tab in your activity feed. However, Instagram has removed this feature, so you can no longer see this in real time. If you're using an older version of Instagram, you might still see it, but it's not a standard feature anymore. While there's no longer a following activity feed, you can still manually check what someone has liked on Instagram. But there's a catch. You can only see the post they liked if the posts are publicly visible or if the account is public. Now, one way to get a glimpse of the activity is by checking comments and likes. For example, as you can see, this person's post. Let's go to likes. As we can see, we have three mutuals here who has likes over this person's account. Likewise, in this also we can see mutuals who have liked the post. Now, also, if someone has commented on a post, you can view by looking through the comment history. You can go to posts from friends or public figures that they follow and check if they've left a like or comment, or if they've interacted, it will show under the post. So you can see by these following methods. While there is no direct way, you can use this workaround to see if your friends has like or comment on certain post.